I'm gonna turn us to different. This one is already a pigmented. This is promise. If you are beginner, that is so friendly users. You will never go wrong with this at all. Easy to use and the pigment is amazing. Good. What you making, Dom? And I am using a thinking green. This make me curious about what's this two colors gonna do for me. It's the same thing with Sharenda yesterday. So I don't know it's gonna turn out, but she did amazing. But you know what? Hey, it looks good though. I don't even need to use a crystal clear. Look. Wipe it off. I'm so in love with this now. Hope you all have a great Saturday. Hope most of you are enjoying your family right now, either eating dinner or have a glass of wine, sitting on your couch on the jammy, enjoy and watching tutorials and give you some idea of what you're gonna do next week when you see your clients that gonna be able to not only keep you fresh on a lot of different techniques, also it's great idea to upsells for your services. So hope this tutorial can bring you a lot of fun. Questions, don't hesitate to DM us. Any recommendations, any of really cool ideas you want to see, like you've been trying it and then you want to see we doing it. Maybe we'll have some things fun to share with you as you're watching. Don't hesitate to just like DM us, and we'd love to hear from you. All right, so this is really cool though. I don't know if I even need a crystal clear. Look at that. Should I using crystal clear? Look, Sharenda, it's okay. We need crystal clear for fusioning, but if you don't have it, look at that how it turned out. The two pigment is blending so well, and I am going to use crystal clear, and we'll see how this crystal clear. It's awesome. There's your like your artistic like skills and your brain like, okay, I need to do something. Painted by purple. It looks great already, right, Loris? I don't know. So let me see if I can put crystal clear on. So I'm gonna wipe off my brush. Mostly it's off. We'll see how it's gonna do. So, all right. I even like it even better with crystal clear. So now crystal clear will absolutely go in and define the veins of your marbling. I am promised if you're a beginner nail tech and you start playing with the fusioning, Glitz fusioning, it was like really pigmented and also it's so easy to work with. Super. I got to see so many of Glitz lovers doing that and it's so wow. Basically, you don't need anything, just the colors and your crystal clear. All right, that's it. Blend more, you can play as much as you want. So be honest, for my opinion, I really like the neons like incorporate with our traditional set of fusioning. It really complements each other. So what you like the best about this is really wow me. And I think, be honest, it's the first time I combine them together. So I say, I'm going to want to see the reaction of when I'm doing it. It might fail or it might turn out good. To me, I think it's really good. So it's a thumbs up. But it's really up to you to see what you like. Hi, Fire. Hello, hello. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Saturday. I don't know, wherever seeing it, all of you, it's just amazing. This is freaking cool. So now, if you don't want anything, top coat, here, good to go. If you want some crystal placement, you absolutely can. You want some Halloween or fall, you can absolutely can as well. You can do so many. You know what? To me, I think fusioning is one of the best way to express the background of the nails art. So you can add it on or can leave it there. It doesn't matter, but it's turned out really, really cool. So I'm looking at crystal or not to crystals. I'm looking for. Would you want to see some dragon scale with this? Look at that. Is that perfect for fall? Let me know if you want to see something like this. Amelia, Crystal, love this nail. Jelly, hello, thank you. Can you do a review on the gel painting you have on the website? Because I'm interested in buying, but I want to see how you use it. The gel painting, you mean the gel painting in the bottles or the gel painting on the pots? Yes, so we have a lot of different ways to doing it too, and the gel painting is really pigmented. Our gel painting is not loosened, it's not watery, it's really pigmented. When you get one of the jars or one of the bottle, it will last you so long. You can either absolutely mix them and customize the colors. And there's a lot of videos that we did it with using a floral brush combined with that, and it turned out great. So I can do some veins for you so then you can see this as well. And I have right here, I have one of the gel painting here with me. So there's two different ways to do your veins on this one, but because it's neon, it's so freaking pigment and the color is so vibrant. So I'm gonna go ahead and using a gel painting golden touch right here in the pot. If you don't have a bottle gel painting in a bottle, you can absolutely using this. And if you have a little of stone base, this one, you can get some of the gels out here. But I am gonna using this for just the vein painting. Maybe on the next Monday we should do some of floral painting using a floral brush. So can you see me doing it right there? So my bow's in the middle. I'm so excited. So like I'm gonna really inspire from Dom and then try to recreate it. Her super cute bow. See how it turned out. I can't wait to see Dom doing it. It's so nice that you get to see all of your peers in your team create. Like when I'm watching Surrender yesterday, I was like, my blow. I said, girl, you got it. All right, you don't have to do all of them if you don't want to. I just wanted just a little bit hint on it. All right, so now here for 60 seconds. Oh, sorry, Facebook. Look like Facebook. Too bright for Facebook. All right, here.